All right, guys, this is our last video lesson for this week. um, we finished reading the text on text yesterday. So make sure that if you have not done all the annotating along with the videos that I've been leaving for you, that is what you do first before you do this. We have pre-read the questions on page 217. We've read, close read, and annotated our text, The Black Hole of Technology. We have marked our keywords in our question and then marked where we saw those keywords in the text to help you locate the answers. So today's assignment, you are going to go to page 217 and you have 3 questions. And in those 3 questions, again, we had marked some keywords. The first one was, what does the author do when a friend points out a new Miley Cyrus post? We had marked this in the question. We had also starred a part in the text for you to go back and look for the answer. Question number 2 was, where do the author and her family go on vacation? Again, it was something that we starred in the reading. We also did make an annotation for it. And then finally, number 3, why does the author's father take away her cell phone? Again, we marked that in the reading, and I'm not sure if we made an annotation on that. So your job today is to answer these 3 questions. Now, you can do them in your book, but I am also posting this document for you to open in Kami after you listen to this and watch this video, or you can do it while you're listening to it. But I want to remind you of a couple things when answering your question, and I'm going to write that on the side here. You need 2 sentences for each of your answers. 2 sentences. Oops, I have to spell it right. Oh my goodness, sentences for each answer. My brain has left me during this COVID. Okay, the first thing is to restate the question with your answer. Please don't forget to actually answer the question. A lot of you, what you will do is say in the text, the friend points out a new Miley Cyrus post. Well, that doesn't really answer the question. The first question wants to know, what does the author do? The second one is, where do they go? And the third one is, why does the father take the phone away? Okay, so make sure you're answering that question. So for number 1, you would start, when a friend posts about the new Miley Cyrus post, the author does, and then tell me what the author did. The second thing that you need to do is give your text evidence. That is your quote. Okay, that is where your second sentence says, in the text it states or says. You put a comma and then a quote, and you copy this sentence from the text to back up your answer. Okay, and if you put a quote at the beginning of what you're copying, you will put a period and then quotation marks at the end. Each one of your 3 sentences must follow this format for complete credit. I did not correct your corrections from last week. I've been doing these video lessons when I have the most energy and I feel the best, but I've honestly had a horrible headache this entire time that I've been home. And I struggle to do things on the computer or read or anything. So I will do those as soon as I can. So again, you can do these in your book, but I also have given you this document to complete in Kami on this assignment so that you can turn it into me. And because I know sometimes typing on the computer might be a little bit easier for you than writing it on paper. Watch your spelling, watch your punctuation, and please, 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 guys, follow this pattern. This is what we've been working on all year. 2-sentence answers. The first one, again, is restating the question with your answer. Restating means you're using words from the question in your answer. Then your second sentence in your answer is the in the text it says or states, and you're copying an actual line from the text. Okay? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message on the Google Classroom or an email. That personal comment where, like in social studies, you've been marking that you're done, or that you did it on paper. That's how you can send a question to me for the assignment, okay? So good luck. I hope you guys have a great long weekend. Rest, and I am looking forward to hopefully making it back next Monday and seeing everybody. Have a great day, everybody.